Recording through USB mic. All right, that's that right there. I don't know if you guys can hear it better. Where? Probably right. There. There's my left hand. Can't see shit. There we go. Okay, well, let's open up this header from yesterday. Yesterday being Monday. Today's Tuesday. I need to shave. Anyhow, there we go. Let's have a look-see. I'll tell you, TTI does a nice job of wrapping stuff up. That's for dang sure. What's going on here? Oh, there's a bit more tape. Oh, there's a bit more tape. Here's the rest of it. There you have it. What's going on there? There we go. Ta-da! Yeah. There we go. Marvelous. There they are. Look at them. They're beautiful. A lot of tape on them, though. There we go. Scratch the shit out of them with the knife. Right out of the gate. That'd be awesome. There we go. Driver's side. That's there it is. Look at that, eh? That's a nice piece of that's nice. It's very nice. Okay. Beautiful, you might even say. Okay, so let's get you guys set up here where I had you just now. Okay, so what we're going to do, get it up in there, and hopefully those will be out of the way a little bit. Hopefully this goes up there pretty easily. I think it will. I guess so. And I think it should go up. Wow, that was marvelous. Oh, I didn't take the other. I didn't take the other header gasket off. Put the cart before the horse again, bud. And then oh, I don't need the stool. I went off. There we go. There, beautiful. Okay. I don't want those ones on there. Making a bit of oil out of the back of that doodad there. Okay. Now, just put a header bolt in their pocket. Yeah, look at that, eh? And then we'll just put that up there again. Just like so. There's that. bolt right there. There we go. All right. Wow, that's nice. I don't know about the starter though, but what we'll do is we'll put a couple of bolts in there, enough to hold it in place, and then once we've done that, then we'll see if we can get that starter in there. And I should be able to move it over. I wonder if I should just do it right meow. That might be a good idea. I think we'll do it right now. And the time of my life, and I will. Oh, they're pretty. They're snug in there. Ah, man, that was like that. There. And then there. Hey, look at that, eh? There. Now, all right. What we're gonna do is find the. I think that was a 5/8, right? There. Oh, there we go. Now I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna put that in my back pocket. I need just a little more. There. All right. And then I think all we need is just a little bit more. Alright. There's that and that. And where is it? Okay. Starter is almost in. And now we want to bring those around. Like how? No, because that's gonna fucking fry it. Let's put bring her down. We're going to bring her down. Okay, bring her down a bit. Uh-huh. There we go. Bring her down a little bit. And then I'm just gonna zoom in like that. I'll take a header bolt. And like this. And then that. And now we want this to come in. Just come right in. No, we'll just go through there. We gotta get some wrap. We'll wrap them like that and like this. Just leave them somehow. Yeah. I'll get a bit of tape and we'll just figure that out. All right. Okay. We got one more over there. Maybe two. No, just one. And nothing there. Okay, that side's done. It says not. So, like, seriously, how can that be that? How can that be like that, eh? Okay, let's go back up. Get the starter bolted up. righty then. Do a pretty good job of being able to get at stuff, I'll tell you what. Okay, so that one just needs to get unwound from there first. Okay, let's get that one out of the way for a second. And then we're gonna put yeah, like that. Like that, eh? Right. Where should that come down? No, I can't go here. It has to come up above. Okay, so. Oh. Oh, everybody getting dizzy? Good deal. So what I'm trying to do is find the starter. It's up there somewhere. It's right up in here. There it is. Okay. And then so pull it down just a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't think that's gonna work. Alright. Might have to go and take that out. Stay right there. Just trying to figure out what we're doing for starter wire routing. And then we can go like so. Alright, let's get that in there first. Then I think I can. Alright. Okay, let's get that bolted on there first. And then we'll figure out how to wrap that thing up so that we're not melting our starter wire to this header. Like that there. Alright, let's get a wrench on there. See if we can get a wrench on there. Where did we put it? Header bolt, wrenches. There. Okay. Now. We're gonna have to go get some plug wires. That's what we're gonna have to do. that's good for a second. There. Okay. And then this. Oops. How's that? Minor earthquake. And if this one comes down through from there, like so. For now. Alright. I think I can make that work. There. That's that. Alright, so that's like that, and that's that. I'll have to put something there. Put something over that. That's no big deal. Okay. Now we got to get this engine mount set up properly. Oop. Wrong way, bud. There. And that's how that goes in. So, I don't know if you guys can see up in there. There we go. That went in pretty nice. It hugs the engine pretty good. We'll have to get in here and do a little love on the starter wires, because I can't. We'll wrap them with some heat tape or something like that, and I turn it around, and then I can actually see what's going on. See, there's the starter wires right here, and so we'll just insulate them properly, get them up off the header, and then that should be fine. I gotta put the torsion bar back in, and then we can drop this thing down. I gotta put the engine mount back on. So that's what we're gonna do next. Put that in there. That's pretty basic. Just gotta jack the engine up a little bit on one side and give it a little yoink. Should be good. All right, so I'll do another little video once I got the everything kind of back together, and then we'll show you how that works. All right. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Have a great afternoon. Yeah, there you go. See you later.